Hello guys. I wanted to show you this LEVOIT. I never know how to pronounce this brand, but I love it. I have actually an air purifier with this from this brand, but this is a super nice cordless sweeper. It has the head, which is nice, and then the canister that is easy to empty. It also has the 3 different settings here, so for how powerful you want it. Back here is where you charge it, so you put the charging port. And I just wanted to show you guys a little bit about how this works. Turn it on here. Highly recommend this cordless sweeper. It holds a charge for a good half an hour to 50 minutes, it says. So